Okay, this is representative of the intake, and well, pretty damn close to the intake setup. I didn't feel like putting the cheap tinny aluminum back on. I want to paint it white first. So it's stock intake setup with a filter. This doesn't care what it sees as long as it sees a temperature of some sort, so it's there. And the muffler that I have on it, which it's a MagnaFlow eBay knockoff, that it's a bolt-on, so it was like 65 or 85 bucks or something. So you'll be able to see what kind of a difference that porting made with the proper intake and exhaust setup on it. I have a CLE on for something, or CEL, not sure what, but it runs. That's what I was worried the most about. I also did something else. I want to see if this works. Let's kick the fans on. Did not kick the fans on. Okay, so I got a couple things I need to troubleshoot. That's okay. I think the porting did a hell of a lot. But other than that, I need to see what's wrong with it.